Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The number here at the dealership is 694-1234, and we're centrally located. You'll see in that pretty green roof building behind me in Southwest College Road in Ocala. And taking just a quick moment to highlight a recent arrival. This was a trade-in. It's a 2014 Chevy Cruze. It has a clean Carfax and I believe 13 or 14 service records. It was just in it. Has ice cold air conditioning, automatic transmission. This is a nice newer body style, and this is a car that if you're looking for something in that $7,000 to $11,000 price range, we carry a lot of vehicles like this, and we have national lenders, local credit unions, and on a vehicle like this for a local family, we even have Chris Credit, and that's where we finance the car ourselves for folks with newer rebuilding credit. So this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales, just taking a minute here to highlight a fresh arrival and a car that if you're looking for something in a modest price range compared to today's standards, and even if dealer financing is an option for you, we've got Chris Credit. I'm at 694-1234. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.